Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect antivirus software with Norton easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Norton website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Norton account. Click on the sign in button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Look for the Subscriptions tab in the menu. Check your current subscription status to ensure you have an active plan. If you need to purchase or renew a subscription, follow the prompts to do so. After confirming your subscription, go to the Download section. Select the antivirus software you wish to connect. Click on the download link for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the software. When prompted, agree to the terms and conditions. Choose your installation preferences and click Next to continue. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once installed, launch the Norton antivirus software. You may be prompted to sign in again. Use your Norton account credentials. After signing in, apply any necessary updates by clicking on the Live Update button. Wait for the updates to download and install. Once updated, configure your settings according to your preferences. Run an initial scan to ensure your system is protected. Check the dashboard for status and any potential issues. Your Norton antivirus software is now connected and ready to protect your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.